You've got to be in season, and what better platform to drive seasonal traffic to your blog, your website, your passion project, or your social media profiles than Pinterest? Hi, I'm Samantha Cunningham Zawilinski, and over the next few episodes of Hard Facts, we're going to be talking about how to better leverage Pinterest for your brand, all of those entities that exist within your business or your passion project. So I hope you'll follow along for these tips and implement them in your business. If you do, I hope you'll like this video or subscribe to the channel for the future videos. But for this week, let's jump into it. Pins with seasonal topics aid in awareness and increase it 10 times more than untimely pins. So that statistic alone should make it extremely important to identify and execute seasonal pins for your business. Aside from your seasonal trends like barbecues and road trips, seeing more and more activity increased 84% for gardening, and this is one that I was really surprised by. Since January 2018 to June of 2018, woodworking increased 54%. Now, I'd love to see some of those projects. But one thing to think about is how you can make these pins lifestyle applicable. And so think about how you can show individuals utilizing your product, your service, your content, your creative in a lifestyle way. Some influencers do this exceptionally well. For example, Jen over at the Sister Studio, not only does she curate great content and have a relationship with her audience, but she is seasonally relevant with great outfits for the 4th of July and how to utilize a backyard and decorate a deck space. But the other thing that I love that she's done, and think about how you can do this for your business, is she's taken that make it lifestyle appropriate and make it tangible to a whole new level. So how's she do it? Well, she created a wear and share account. And when I saw this, not only did I love it, I thought, why hasn't more people done this? And it's really easy to show you what it looks like here. So as you can see, you see Jen in the outfit that she previously posted on Instagram stories, her Instagram page, and shared on Pinterest. But she also shows one of her followers. So this is two individuals in the same outfit, a great way to say this is what it would look like on anybody and everybody. And so one thing to think about is how can you extend that conversation and leverage more communication with your audience and be seasonable, so 4th of July, beach, backyard, all applicable here, and then leverage across platforms like Instagram, but Pinterest most of all. So this week's Hard Facts tip and tactic is to make sure that your content is seasonally relevant. And you can do so by making sure to take a look at the calendar and picking out things that apply to your business or your passion project. And in doing so, we'll be talking in the next few episodes of Hard Facts on how to syndicate that content, get more pins and more traffic through Pinterest. And as you're creating your images over the next few weeks, make sure you think about how they are going to appear on a mobile device. 80% of individuals accessing Pinterest are doing so on a mobile device. So if you're overlaying text on top of your image, it's too small for a mobile device to see. You're not going to get great pins, shares, and additional leverage through other social platforms. So keep that in mind and make sure you like or subscribe to my channel. Not only would it mean the world to me, but it means that you'll stay up to date on the future episodes of Hard Facts, Trending Topics, and this Pinterest segment, where we'll be talking about more things like rich pins, how to utilize them, create them, how to use analytics, and leverage the information they tell you for hitting your target audience.